Hi SD fans, it's Mark Evans from Scuba Diver magazine. I'm back again with another gear guide. Today we're looking at the Bear Ultrawarmth range. It's basically, you can get it in their gloves, hoods and boots. Bear are very good at soft goods like this. They've always made nice gloves, nice hoods and everything which are warm. The difference with the Ultrawarmth range is they use sealant technology. Now the sealant stuff is really odd. I remember seeing it at a trade show a few years back. And basically it is an element that is impregnated into the material. What it does is when your body generates heat, it is absorbed into that material, it is then stored in there and reflected back onto your body when you most need it. Now it sounds like a bit far-fetched, very, like out of its game, but I tell you what, it really does work. This is their 7mm hood. They're doing different thicknesses, but this is the 7mm. This is the really clever bit, if I turn it inside out. That's where all the sealant stuff is in there. So it's all around the core area where you want it around your head. It's got a nice smooth skin seal around the front so that when you do get the water in there nice and warm, it isn't flushing in and out as you're using it. The other thing that's nice, as we've all found when you're using a hood and you're breathing out, air can get into the hood and you can start getting the cone head style. But this has got a nice vent on the top there and that allows a fine stream of bubbles out. So you don't end up with it going up, you don't end up with a cold airspace on the top of your head. And it keep you nice and warm. They also do the gloves, as we said. So these were their 5mm version, but again, they do them in different thicknesses. These again have that sealant technology inside, and they've got the palm grip stuff as well underneath so that you can grab stuff as you need to. Now these are 5mm, but when I was diving these, they were keeping my hands almost as warm as a pair of dry gloves. Which is pretty impressive for using wet gloves in temperatures down to 3 or 4 degrees. So that really shows the sealant technology, it really does work. So I would definitely recommend checking these out if you're one of these people who suffers from the cold and you want something that's going to help you stay as warm as possible when you're diving in colder waters. So that's the end of our review. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like us, hit the bell, and we'll be back with more gear guides soon.